Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a question from class 11 Political Theory chapter 5, that is rights. So the question is, discuss briefly some of the new rights claims which are being put forward in our country today. For example, the rights of tribal people to protect their habitat and way of life, or the rights of children against bonded labor. So in our country, new rights are are being introduced lately. The first right that we are talking about is the rights of labor, rights of tribal people to protect their habitat and way of life. There are many tribal groups in our country who lead a secluded life. They lead their life away from the hustle and bustle of the societies in which we live. They have a different lifestyle and their preferences are different. They like being close to the nature. So they do not want any interference in their lifestyle. But due to urbanization, their habitats are in danger because forest and other places are being cleared at high rate. So the government has come up with the new rights in order to protect their habitat and their way of life and to look that their habitats are being protected and no intrusion is being done in their property. So the second right that we are talking about, the rights of children against bonded labor. As we know, child labor is a crime. Any child who is hired by any institution or organization for any kind of work below the age of 18 years is crime. And here we are talking about the rights of children against bonded labor. In bonded labor, a person in bonded labor, a person pledges to offer services in return of any debt. So, rights of children against bonded labor is very important to protect them from exploitation. So, let's talk about the answer. The claim of rights of tribal people to protect their habitat and way of life has emerged with the new conception of a secure and respectful life of individuals, along with preserving the traditional way of life and access to resources. This is a result of change in society and its beliefs and providing special provisions of rights to people to protect indigenous culture. Tribal people are given rights to own a part of land of the forest to which they belong. They are given special facilities in education, job, medicine, etc., so that they can compete with the rest of the society on equal terms. The rights of children against bonded labor are necessary to prevent their exploitation and ensure a safe childhood for them. The right to education is new right given in the Indian Constitution. This right helps in preventing the violation of the basic right of children to education. Right to information is a new right that helps the citizens to know the status or the procedure of the services that they are entitled to receive. Thank you. For such content, please subscribe to Intellify.